Picture this. You are holding a Rubik's Cube, and the first layer, usually the white side and its surrounding middle pieces, is perfectly solved. It is a moment of triumph, but then you look at the rest of the cube, and it seems like a colorful jumble all over again. What is the next step to keep that satisfying progress going? How do you tackle the crucial second stage? Well, second layer moves on a Rubik's Cube are the specific sequences of turns you perform to correctly position and orient the for-edge pieces that make up the middle layer of the cube. These are the pieces that connect the first solved layer to the top, still scrambled, layer. Your goal is to fill in those for side slots, building up from the bottom. The core reason these moves are necessary, and why they use specific algorithms, is to shift pieces from the top layer into their correct middle layer positions without disturbing the first layer you just solved. Each algorithm is a carefully choreographed dance of cube faces that temporarily moves pieces out of the way, inserts the target edge piece, and then restores the first layer back to its solved state. It is like a clever magic trick where only the intended piece ends up where you want it. To execute a second layer move, you first identify an edge piece on the top layer that belongs in the second layer. You then align it with its corresponding center piece on the side. Once aligned, you decide whether it needs to move to the left or to the right slot. Then, you apply one of two mirrored algorithms, a series of precise turns, that will gracefully drop that piece into its correct position, completing a section of the middle layer. These specific sequences, often known by their patterns like right sexy or left sexy, moves within the cubing community, are the real secret to advancing your solving skills. They are not just random turns. They are powerful, predetermined patterns that manipulate only the necessary pieces. Mastering these precise movements allows you to systematically build the cube layer by layer, moving beyond intuitive guesswork to a structured, repeatable solution. Understanding and practicing these second layer moves provides a huge boost in confidence and skill on your Rubik's Cube journey. It transforms the daunting task of solving the entire cube into manageable steps, building a solid foundation for the final, and often most challenging, layer. Each successful placement is a clear mark of progress, bringing you closer to that ultimate satisfying solve.